If you are in Nigeria or you're a Nigerian and you've never tasted Afang Soup, you are missing a lot. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Join me as I prepare this delicious Afang Soup for a client. So we're going to start by spicing our meat and stock fish and allow it to cook. Then I proceeded in washing my vegetables. Here I have my water leaf and here my afang leaf, also known as okazi leaf. Then I pounded my okazi leaf with crayfish. It's optional though. After the meat is cooked, I added my palm oil, added my water leaf, stirred it up, added salt for taste, added my pepper, added my crayfish and my periwinkle. Then I stirred it up for them to mix together. So after which I added my blended okazi leaf, and finally I added my palm oil. Please be generous with your palm oil and allow it to cook for like 2 minutes for the okazi leaf to be softened a bit. And here you go, our delicious afang soup is ready. It's that simple, right? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our page, like and comment on our videos, share and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. You can serve this soup with any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching and see you in my next upload. Bye.